trails are located off of Mount Hope Road, approximately 3 miles north of Route 16 from Blue Ridge Summit, PA, after taking Charmaine Road to Gum Spring Road, which leads you to Mount Hope Road, and approximately 10 miles south of Gettysburg, west of Route 16 off of Bullfrog Road out of Fairfield, PA.
On the other side of Mount Hope Road, I found a gate with another mark for multi-use trail. Looks like it could be used for hiking or biking. There we go. And I don't see a name on this trail, but it's heading down off the trailhead where I was parked. So we'll see what this brings us. This is a nice flat trail, little descent. Looks like we may have a turn here. This one looks like it's better marked than the other ones. It looks like there's a Y in the road. If you looked at the map, it looks like this loops around, so we'll head this way. Oh, feeling good now. It's probably up in the high 30s. It looks like it heads up into some pines. Oh, into some pines, and coming up on a split. Looks like it's called Plantation Trail that way, and Kepner Knob Trail that way. Well, we'll take Plantation Trail today and see where that goes. Oh, this is beautiful through the pines. It's like a canopy of pine trees. Oh, is this pretty? It's just a continuous trail through the pines. And I see deer ahead, way ahead. I'm sure you can't see them on the GoPro. They're probably about 150 yards down the road. Beautiful trail. It's amazing what you find when you're not looking. Okay, looks like we come to a turn. There goes a deer, white-tailed deer. I saw the tail. Looks like a big deer. Okay, we're making a turn. And heading around the corner. Now we had a gradual downhill through the pines. Now we're heading back up. Yeah, now we're heading back up. It was fun coming down. Now what goes down must come up, or must come up, must go down, whatever. that saying is. I thought that's what might happen. Has a nice loop through the pines. Basically brought us back out on Nipper Knob Trail. It's a Plantation Trail. Just goes right off of Nipper Knob Trail. Goes around and brings you back up on Nipper Knob. So we'll go see where Nipper Knob goes. All right. Although they weren't named, I just found these trails on the Mid-Chalk State Forest map. And I think we're going to turn around because according to the map, Nipper Knob goes out, but doesn't come back. It doesn't circle like Plantation Trail did. If you walk it the whole way out, you have to turn around and come back. It brings you out to a road. So I think we'll turn around and get back and make sure it brings us back to the car. Yeah, this is Nipper Knob. And according to the map, it goes up around the curve, heads out along the ridge. It ends at a road out there, so unless you want to do it out and back, you almost have to have somebody drop you off and pick you up. So we're going to turn around. Here again, we're at the intersection of Plantation Trail and Nipper Knob Trail. So if we keep heading this way, we should just complete a big circle. We'll soon find out. Oh, one note I did want to mention, from what I've seen of this Plantation and Nipper Knob trails, it would be great mountain biking. I would rate it easy. There are some ups and downs, but nothing technical. Pretty much just flat, almost like an old fire road. Some of it's single track, but most of it is wide open and would be great for biking. Yeah, just as we figured, this is where I originally got on the Plantation Trail, and it just circled, made a big circle through the pines and came back out on Nipper Knob. And this should take me back to the trailhead parking. It's interesting, there's an old stone wall, and I saw some old wire. So at one time this must have been farmed, or we're only about 20 miles from Gettysburg. Maybe it was used at one time for an embankment during the Civil War. That's definitely a man-made stone wall. Not far from the trailhead. And we are headed back up to what should be the trailhead. Yes, I see the gate. And we made it back. Once again, thank you for your interest and hope you enjoyed this video. Plantation Trail and Nipper Knob Trail.